So I'll be showing you how to create a group chat on Instagram. So the first thing you want to do is launch your Instagram app and then go to messages. You can either tap on the messages icon or just swipe to the left, and that opens the messages section of Instagram. So tap on the new chat button in the top right corner, and then instead of creating a new chat, just go ahead and tap on create group chat, and then choose the members you want in that group chat. So for instance, I can choose this person, that person, then I can scroll and find maybe someone else, this one, and this one. Okay, so I have 4 members of my group chat, and then the next thing you want to do is tap on create group chat, and that group chat is gonna get created like that, and you can see the members there, you can see their profile pictures, and you can see the usernames of the members of that group chat, and then you can even send a message, and that's going to, everyone is going to see it. So for instance, so I'm just sending that message. Now once I send that message, everyone in that group is gonna see that message. Okay, now if you want to, you can also name the group. So at the top here you have the option to name this group. So I'm just gonna give this group a name like that, and tap on done, and that's going to be the new name for my group. I can also add people at will. So if I tap on add people, this allows me to add people from Instagram. I can also copy an invite link and send it to someone either via WhatsApp or text message, and they can use that link to and they can use that link to join the group chat. Now if I want to, I can change the theme. So for instance, if I want to, if this is a basketball squad, I can have that as the background of the group chat. Okay, I can have, maybe it's a soccer team, I can have different themes for that particular group chat. So just change that back to default. You can also make group voice calls and video calls so that everybody in that particular group chat can be able to participate in a video call. Now the group chat will be listed among the chats in your Instagram DM, so you can always access via the name, and that's basically how to create a group chat. Now one more thing before we go, if you go to the group chat page, you can actually change also the profile picture of that particular Instagram group chat. So you can just go to your gallery and create a specific profile picture for that group chat. That's basically how to create a group chat on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.